AI text generators like ChatGPT and other programs have become wildly popular. They're being used by companies to write promotional blogs and social media content or create email templates. While many industries have been quick to use these time-saving programs, should engineers use AI text generators for their work? This video explores several facets of this complex question. First, let's define AI text generator programs. One way to describe these programs is like a text-based interactive conversation, explanation, or answer to a question, or a unique story that was generated by artificial intelligence. One text generator example you're probably familiar with is ChatGPT. And there's also Google's Bard and IBM's Watson. And there are also other AI generative programs for other media types, such as Soundful, which we use to create this background music, and Midjourney, which generates images. So how does an AI text generator work? A user simply types in a prompt, such as a question, and the program generates a response from its knowledge base. For example, you can enter a specific request, such as to write a 3-paragraph explanation of fiber-reinforced concrete and its uses, and the program will generate a response for you. You can also refine the generated text. Some programs allow users to have a back-and-forth conversation. These tools are incredibly powerful. So why would an engineer not want to outsource writing? Writing is an essential skill for 21st century knowledge economy workers. It's a primary way that your skills are assessed. What's more, along with technical expertise, your communication and teamwork skills are what make you stand out to employers on the job market, or to help you earn a raise or promotion. It's important you build these skills now when you can get feedback to help improve your writing. Another reason you should develop your writing skills is the nature of the work you produce as an engineer. Your documents are highly technical and precise. AI text generators, by contrast, do not necessarily have those skills. For example, these programs can invent details when they do not know the answer by guessing what words are most likely to fit the pattern. This doesn't mean what they create is true. As a knowledge economy worker, you are responsible for what you create. When you have brainstormed, drafted, revised, and edited the text, you have complete knowledge of what you've produced. If you submit a prompt to a generative AI program, you cannot stand behind the content as accurate and ethical in the same way. When the stakes are high, such as submitting a senior design project or thesis for school, or submitting a proposal for new business on behalf of your company, it's even more critical that you can take responsibility for what you've written. Why can't you necessarily stand behind the content from an AI text generator? While powerful, these tools have limitations. First, if you're using these programs for projects, the program can invent sources. You should always verify sources are legitimate. Second, some programs lack up-to-date content. For example, as of this recording, ChatGPT has a data cutoff of January 2022. Third, engineering writing requires precision, and text generated or edited by these programs may omit or change the precise details you need to communicate. Does this mean these tools are completely out of bounds? Not necessarily. They do have utility to help search for and identify resources, brainstorm possibilities, or organize your thoughts. For example, if you were assigned to write about the current state of phosphorus pollution in the United States, you could ask one of these programs to help you identify the best readings to start with. Just remember that you should vet the list that's generated. In this example on screen, ChatGPT has attributed one book to people who didn't write it and listed one book that doesn't exist. What conclusions can we make about how students and future professional engineers might use AI text generators for their work? At this time, we recommend this. AI text generators can be useful supporting tools for engineering projects, but they cannot entirely replace your effort. you are still responsible for the work you produce. Thanks for watching!